Hi there, John Bowe here. I'm out at Gray's and they made less than 100 real ones of these. And I'm sure any Commodore lover would know what these are. This is a Tribute. It's not the real one, but to all intents and purposes, it looks like a real one. We believe it's got the stroker engine, it's got a 6-speed gearbox, it's got proper GTS-R trim, yellow stitching. You know, it looks like the real deal. But nowadays it's become fashionable and productive to make tribute cars, or let's call them, what else can you call them? Copy. You can't buy a new one anymore, and there's, we believe, 75 new ones made back then, so you know, the chances of them all surviving, so it becomes quite a rare car, so it makes it worthwhile to do a Tribute like they do with GT Falcons. So the colour is special, it's XU3 Yellow. Amazing that, isn't it? XU3 Yellow. And have a look, it'll be live on Gray's very soon. So I'm sitting in this GTS-R Tribute car. You can see here all the features that the real one had. There's a yellow stitching, carbon fibre, yellow stitching around the steering wheel. It's and the trim, I mean, imagine, I don't know where that would come from, because it's very rare. They wouldn't have had any spare. It's funny, you know, the yellow, I like yellow cars personally. When these were released, it was at about the same time that the Victorian government made all the taxis in Melbourne be yellow. So, you know, there was a bit of criticism, probably from Ford people, that they were taxis, but they're very high spec cars, and this being a Tribute of it, it's a good way to get into a GTS-R without paying really serious money, because that's what the original ones bring. So have a look at Gray's classic cars and have a bid. You might be lucky.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.